Hi mga higala, this is Judy. Kauban nako si Clifford karon, real estate agent siya. Naami karon dire sa Azalea, condominium no. Itour ta karon ni Clifford. So naatay tulo ka buok bisitahon nga mga condominium for rent karong adlaw. Hello mga higala, this is Judy. Naami karon diri sa Azalea. Naara ni siya sa Cebu City, as in at the heart of Cebu City yun ni siya. It is a condominium and 26 floors ni siya nga condominium. Kauban nako si Clifford and si Ma'am Ethel.
Hello.
Okay, if you're interested ani nga property, these are the people na inyuhang kontakon. Okay, so na ako'y pangutanan ni Clifford o ni Ma'am Ethel, unsa kadako ang property?
Total area ani niya is 49 square meters including the balcony.
Okay.
And it has two toilet and bath also. The master's bedroom has its own toilet and bath. And then one common toilet and bath.
Kitchen.
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 And another one small room.
Yeah, common room.
Yes.
Common dining. Na siya dining
Yeah, small
table.
dining table.
Ref. And then
Yeah, this is already fully furnished.
fully furnished.
With unsa nga na nila? Anong stove?
Induction.
Yes,
cooker.
induction with range hood and everything.
And Wi-Fi.
Yes, there's also Wi-Fi and
So,
landline.
So, kani siya is included na siya sa monthly
Yes,
rental. So, pila to
yeah.
monthly rental?
Our monthly rental is 35,000 inclusive of condo dues.
So, apil ang condo due. So, which is
Yes.
good, no? Kadi na sila magunahuna.
Yes, because the condo dues is around mga 3,000 something. Oo.
Then,
But the utility bills, the tenant will be the one to pay.
to pay it.
Okay,
How about parking? Nay parking?
We don't have parking, but the condo building itself, they have a guest parking, but it's first come first serve, and they are not they will not allow guests to park like overnight. So yeah.
Sige. So, for example, kung mo rent, unsa may kuan, 1 month rent, kailangan 2 months.
For now, because of the pandemic, we prefer long-term rental, like minimum of 1 year.
So, 1 year contract and pila to 1 month rental and kung ang deposit
2 months deposit and 1 month advance
1
rental.
month advance rental. Then 1 year contract.
Yes.
I
Minimum.
see.
Minimum of 1 year.
So kung for example, naingon siya, pwede ba 6 months contract? Dili pwede. Kailangan 1 year.
Actually, kami pwede ra gyud mi, pero the management
They require
very strict kay sila karon
1 year.
because of the COVID. So para to avoid bitaw nga in and out
of the
ang mga
people.
kuan people.
I see.
But hopefully pag wala na yung pandemic makabalik na mi sa like mga pila ka day, the usual, the normal kuan ba na pwede short term rentals.
I see.
Ka pre-COVID ga cater man mi og kanang short term.
So unsa may yung dawaton? Cheque, cash, or bank transfer ang inyong way of payment?
Kuan rami, open rami to whatever the
Okay.
client kuan kanang unsa sad iyang convenient.
I see. Kung unsay ko niya.
But mas maayo kung PDCs. Post-dated.
Post-dated checks.
Yeah.
So, Wi-Fi and fully furnished na ni siya, 35,000, 1 month advance payment at
2 months deposit.
2 months deposit. Okay. So, daghang salamat, Ma'am Ethel. Si Clifford will be with me. Kinapamiduha ka properties adtuon. So, I'll put their FB page at the description box. So, if you're interested in this property, Azalea, so it's just near UP, University of the Philippines school, and then it's at the main highway, no?
Walking distance to Ayala.
Ayala,
Business Park.
yes.
Walking distance to Ayala. So it's at the heart of Cebu City. And actually it's very quiet here. So karon naami sa 6th floor. So hilom kayo diri. Also guys, naa sa day sila aircon. So fully furnished. So tanang rooms na ay aircon, okay? And then hilom ra, then they have swimming pool and they have these amenities and 35,000 per month, good for 1 year contract. So when everything's okay na, when everything is back to normal, they will accept 6-month contract. No, pwede na. But for now, due to pandemic, it's only for good for 1 year minimum contract. Okay.
So ganahan ka magtambay-tambay diri sa gawas or ganahan ka mo smoke ba karon or ganahan ka mag chill-chill, so pwede ka diri sa balcony. Mag-enjoy ka sa view. Right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, mga higala, naami diri karon sa Baseline Premier. Kauban nako si Ma'am Christine og si Sir Clifford. Karon mangutanan ko ni Ma'am Christine, Ma'am, pila man ang rental?
Ang rent with ani is 20,000 per month for long term, and
Pila ka
then
months ng long term? Ma'am?
minimum of 6 months.
So, pwede siya 6 months, pwede siya
Pwede sa siya 1
1
year, but kanang pwede ra gid og kanang 6 months for 20,000. So mosugot ra sad, okay ra sad if short term, pero kanang medyo expensive gamay ang
short
rent.
term.
Yes.
Oh, because it's short term.
Yes,
short term
yes.
man siya.
Mm.
I see. So, ang bayaran is upon rental is 1 month
Yes.
advance niya.
2 months, 2 months security deposit.
Security deposit.
Yeah, so
I
mao na
see.
siya maoy the usual. And then for the inclusion sa rent kay Wi-Fi is already included sa 20,000 per month.
Then, sila na mo bayad sa
Yes.
succeeding month, ano, sa
Yes,
utilities.
yes. And then for the utilities and for the condo dues, excluded pa na siya. It
So,
is not yet included sa 20,000 per
I
month
see.
nga
So,
rent.
pila man ang condo dues ka?
Usually 1.4 to 1.6 per month ang condo dues din sa Baseline Premier.
Oo.
And then so muna dito ra na sila mobayad sa admin ang tenant. Okay, this is a new unit, no? So wala pa gyud naka-rent ani.
So, fresh pa ni siya.
Yes. So if ever nga there will be a tenant na gyud, ay pa magpataod ang owner for the Wi-Fi and the telephone. So marang package naman na siya.
I
Yes.
see. So, kani siya, naa siya TV, naa siya microwave oven, naa ref. So, basic amenities.
So hello guys, we're here in the Baseline Premier. So behind me is the amenities.
Behind me is
Christine Bernardo, one of the top sellers of Filipino homes. Kita ka dito sa pool, so pool area. And then behind me is our Judy. Then nadiya ang mailboxes, ang elevator lobby. And then naadiri ang gym. Kailangan mo mag-gym.
Ilang pool ba nindot? We are now on our third property, One Oasis Mabolo. So Clifford, how much is this property? And what are the inclusions?
This is a 2-bedroom unit at 30,000 pesos per month on a long-term basis, and you can pay 1 month advance and 2 months deposit, and the price is still negotiable. And One Oasis is located at President Magsaysay Street. It's very near to Sarosa Hotel, CIE British School, Landers Supermart, and a minute's drive to Ayala Business Park.
Daghang salamat, Clifford, Miss Ethel, and Miss Christine. So guys, if you are interested in these properties, I will leave their Facebook page or contact numbers at the description box. So we went to Azalea, next is Baseline Premier, and the third one is One Oasis Mabolo. And also don't forget to subscribe to Clifford's YouTube channel. Okay, so let's support Clifford. So these agents, they can help you with any properties you're looking for. It could be rental or properties for sale. Okay guys, daghang salamat for being with us today. I'll see you next week. We will start again with our Bisaya lesson every Friday. Amping, bye!